Viewers, several functionaries of the governing Congress's minority unit in Dakshin Kannada quit in large numbers, accusing the Siddaramaiah government of negligence and failing to protect the community amid a spate of recent revenge killings. Party workers stormed the stage demanding justice for Abdul Rahman, who was the secretary of a mosque in Kolatha Majlu area, who was brutally murdered recently. Neha, what more details do you have? This, of course, is a concerning time for the Congress's Karnataka unit. Clearly, their troubles not ending anytime soon.
Well, that's absolutely right. We saw en masse resignations coming in yesterday, at least about, 40 to 50 Congress workers and leaders who resigned from Dakshin Kannada district, all from the minority community. They're saying that, in fact, they feel threatened, and which is why, in fact, they have, of course, been protesting. We also have right now with us the Karnataka Home Minister. We'll try and, of course, quickly get in a word from him here, if possible, on this entire issue, on what the government is going to do on the law and order situation as well, if possible. Sir, if you could just give us 1 minute, sir. We're live, sir. Sir, the law and order situation in Mangalore, has been deteriorating. We've been seeing it now. What action is the government taking, sir?
Sir,
we're live. Sir, just one word from you, sir. We're live. What action is the government taking, sir? Sir, Mr. Dinesh Kundu Rao has also been rushed to Mangalore.
Meeting react
Just on the law and order in Mangalore, sir, what steps is the government taking? The transfer of... Sir, on the Mangalore incident, sir, in terms of law and order, what steps is the government taking, sir? Sir?
No, I've already answered in the morning.
Sir, just one reaction from you, sir. We're also seeing...
answered in the morning. We have taken several steps.
Yes, sir.
Not one.
Okay. Yeah. Sir, the anti-communal force also that's been formed, sir, would now be coming into play, sir, in the district?
It will. As early as possible, it will.
Okay. Sir, last question to you, sir. Well, okay, of course, that was the Karnataka Home Minister there, Dr. G. Parmeshwara, in fact, talking to us, telling us that, yes, the situation, of course, is being brought under control. Senior officers have been transferred out as well. Remember, of course, now we're also seeing it's not just the transfer of the officers, but an anti-communal force here that, of course, has been formed, a task force by the government that would specifically be looking into issues of hate crimes and communal incidents like this. And more importantly, also, now, on the government's part, we're seeing that they're certain, at least they say, that such incidents would be coming down. Regular meetings, regular review meetings would be held. We'll really have to wait and see. One thing, of course, that remains is that the situation in Mangalore right now, may have improved, but the rise in communal instances, of course, in the district has always been a concerning one. The opposition, of course, taking its jibe here against the government now, going on to suggest that law and order has been deteriorating. But on its part, we'll really have to wait and see. The district in charge minister, Mr. Dinesh Kundu Rao, also has been rushed to the district right now in order to ensure that, things remain largely under control.
Absolutely, Neha. We did get that reaction finally from the minister. But as far as political reactions are concerned, what's the opposition saying, Neha, in this entire case that has now built up against the minority unit?
Well, yes, understandably so. Of course, Congress leaders here and Congress workers quitting from the party at a time like this is not something that would, reflect very well on the government. Now, despite us asking, of course, the district in charge minister there, Mr. Dinesh Kundu Rao, about the situation, he says that, it doesn't really matter to us at this point whether at all. Of course, we'll try and get in another reaction here, sir. Sir, but just one question from you, sir. In Mangalore, we're seeing mass resignations of Congress workers of the minority community saying that they are upset. What are you going to be doing about this, sir?
They have not decided. Yesterday they have told, but they have not decided till now. Again they have called for meeting for today. We'll see what happened after Namaz. They are going to take the decision. But we have conveyed the message that we are with you, government is with you. Don't take that rash decision. We have already informed to them. We'll see what will happen.
Okay. Sir, would you be holding a meeting with them, sir, as a senior leader from the community
Already Hari Prasad, the CM has appointed Hari Prasad to go there. See, I think Hari Prasad today has gone there. I think Dinesh also is going there.
Okay, all right. Well, of course, that was senior Congress leader there, Mr. Zamir Ahmad Khan, also now saying
Right,
that, leaders have been appointed for the same and they would be doing on their part what's necessary to keep their house intact.
All right, Neha, thanks very much for getting us more details. The latest, of course, coming in from the Congress's senior leaders saying that we have formed a, committee who's going to look into this entire matter and will be holding a meeting. Let's wait and watch what comes out of this entire controversy that has now erupted. Of course, Congress's troubles in Karnataka not seeming to end anytime soon.